What's up? Andrew Pollock here, co-founder and CEO at leadPops.com, doing a dartboard marketing video to talk to you about lead funnels. The question is, what is a lead funnel? It's a great question. So at leadPops, we have a product offering. We call them lead funnels, but in the marketing world, it's a concept. It talks about a journey that the customer goes on. It starts with them getting exposed to you, they call it awareness, all the way down through when they purchase, when they buy something, and the different stages along the way. So at leadPops, we have a specific product offering we call a lead funnel because it takes consumers down a journey. We learn about them, we ask them questions, and at the end of that process, we collect their contact information and we connect them to, at leadPops, it's a client of ours. So what we're trying to do is make sure that when people are finding you online, you have an optimized experience for lead conversion, because you got to be able to talk to people. Clicks are not worth a whole lot to you if they're not converting. You can't do business with clicks. You can't sell houses to clicks. You can't refinance a click. You've got to convert a click into a lead. So that's what a lead funnel does. It actually takes a consumer through kind of a mini journey of its own by asking engaging questions. Not just going for the jugular. It's not just your basic contact form. Give me your name, email, phone number is not what we start out with. We ask the easy questions first because there's a whole psychology behind how to collect information online. There's a proven concept of don't ask for stuff people don't want to give up right up front, because many times they'll either give you something bogus or they just bounce. Neither one of those things is good for your business. We need to engage with them. We need to ask them some easy questions first, create a little bit of a buffer before we get to personal stuff that nobody wants to give you. So I'm happy we hit this one in particular because we're going to kick off a whole series of videos where we're going to talk to you about what is a lead funnel, how do you use these lead funnels, what are some of the biggest players online doing with their lead funnels. When I talk about big players, I'm talking about Zillow, Bankrate, LendingTree, Quicken Loans, Veterans United, companies that are spending crazy amounts of money on marketing. They've optimized the heck out of all of the stuff they're doing. There's a lot you can learn from them. We've worked with a couple of these big companies on developing their lead funnel. So we're going to fill you in on some of the secrets, what they're utilizing, and some of the best practices of what our clients are doing with these lead funnels, these mini journeys that we've created to take a anonymous click and turn it into a tangible lead for your business. Tons of value here. I'm happy I hit this topic, and we're kicking off the whole series to talk to you a lot more about lead funnels and how they can make you a lot of money and how they can help you help more people. That's the key part of all this, is taking somebody from an online, again, anonymous person, turning them into an actual person that you can build a relationship with. That's what lead funnels are all about. So thanks for joining me here today on what is a lead funnel. We're going to go on this journey together. We're going to talk a lot more about different topics related to lead funnels in our upcoming videos. So I hope this has been helpful in kind of breaking down what is a lead funnel. There's going to be a whole series of videos again on this topic. If you find this helpful, do share, do like, tell a friend, comment below. If you're using lead funnels, if you've had success, let us know, and I'll catch you soon with another video.